Hi there, today I will take you through Qatar Airways Students Benefit. If you are a student and planning to travel with Qatar Airlines for your studies, or you are going back to your school, or you are going for a vacation to meet your friends and family, then you can enjoy several benefits such as special fare, extra baggage allowance, travel date flexibility and much more. To enjoy these facilities, you have to register with the Qatar Airlines Student Club. In this video, I will walk you through all the steps that you need to follow to get these student benefit, so that you can save your money with the next flight booking with Qatar Airlines as a student. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will link a full video playlist in the description box below where you can find other airlines which provide such kind of student benefits. So after watching this video, go to the description box and check out the other videos as well. So the first step you have to do to enjoy students benefit under Qatar Airways is that you have to visit their website and register yourself under the student club. It will just take few minutes to register as a student at their student club. I will take you to my computer screen later, but let's first talk about the benefits that you can enjoy. The first benefit that you can enjoy as a student with Qatar Airways is discount. You will get 10% discount on your first flight ticket booking with Qatar Airways as a student after you register with their student club. The second time when you book your ticket with them, you will be able to enjoy 15% of discount. And after your second and third trip, you can enjoy a 20% discount on the flight tickets. The second benefit which you can enjoy as a student is date flexibility. You can enjoy one complimentary date change as a student, and also your companion, if somebody else, a friend of yours is traveling with you, they can also get that opportunity to change a date along with you. The third benefit that you can enjoy with Qatar Airlines as a student is extra baggage allowance. As a student, you're allowed to carry extra 10 kg of luggage or one extra piece of luggage. This depends upon the route on which you are traveling. Once you book directly with the Qatar Airways website or in your mobile app on Qatar Airways, then you can enjoy a free Wi-Fi throughout your journey. Qatar Airways also allows you for a companion pass where you can pre-select a member of your family or a friend and invite them to travel with you while you share your students' benefit with them. Qatar Airways also allows you to upgrade your tire. You have to travel at least once as a student with Qatar Airways, then you can fast track your privilege club tire when graduating. Now let me take you to my computer screen, and you can find the link of the Qatar Airways Student Privilege Club in the description box below. You can copy that link over there and then follow the steps that I will be showing you on my computer screen. So this is the Qatar Airways website where you have to come to the Privilege Club for Student or Student Club. You can find the Qatar Airways link for Student Club in the description box of this video. This is the kind of a card that you are going to get after you register as a student with Qatar Airways. So you can see here is the full form for registration which you need to fill up. I'll go one by one. That first of all, you can join through Facebook or Gmail, or you can give a email ID over here. After typing your email ID, you have to type a password and retype the password, set a new password and write it down somewhere. That is a very easy way to remember your passwords. Then your country code applies here, whichever is your country. For example, it's India. So as you type I, you will get all the countries from India, which is 91. And then you have to put your mobile number here. Moving to the next section, it is your personal details. So your title, Mr., Miss, whatever it is, you can give it here. And then your first name as per passport. Make sure that this one is as per passport. Then middle name is optional. If you have any middle name, you can put your middle name over here, and then your last name as per passport. Next, moving to the date of birth, it is in the form of DDMMYYYY. So you have to fill up your date of birth here and choose your gender, which is again optional. Next, you have to fill up where do you live, that is your country or origin of residence, where you currently stay, or your origin from where you belong. Next, here is the university or college details that you have to fill up. This is the college name. So you can see it's written over here that only English language is acceptable here. Then college location, select nearest airport. So you have to know the nearest airport to your college where you are getting admission. Then expected graduation month over here and expected graduation year. Upload college ID or joining letter. So with this we can understand that we have to upload our college ID which is given to you as a student ID, or you have got a joining letter from your college, you have to give that one. And the format which are allowed for uploading the file is mentioned here, and file size should be less than 5 MB. So make sure that your document is among these formats and it is less than 5 MB. Enrollment promo code. So if you have got any kind of code for this student club, you can put it there, otherwise it's again optional. So now moving on to sign up for our news and offers. So that is completely upon you. If you would like to receive emails from them, privileges about club partners or other Qatar Airways group entities, then you can tick these boxes and then finally click here. And once you are done with filling the form, you can press this button which says join now. Once you do that, you will get this message on your screen which says that welcome to student club, thanks for registering with Qatar Airways Student Club. You will soon receive an email from us to activate your account. Please check your spam folder if it does not arrive in your inbox. Once you verify your email address, you'll be sent an OTP. You can choose an option from receiving an SMS or an email or both. And after you verify through that OTP, you are all set to book your ticket as a student with Qatar Airways. So that was all for today. If you have any question or want to add something to this topic, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be really happy to help you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.